Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give myself a little challenge today. I have been lockpicking for around a year, and I've acquired these locks, and I just kind of wanted to see how long it would take an amateur to pick all these locks. So we obviously have different challenges here. We have, the easiest. You got your see-through locks, super simple lock, intermediate. And I know this probably isn't intermediate to most people, but it is for me. And then we got the two big boys here. These ones can trip me up sometimes. And it's really weird. I'll be like in a flow with lock picking where everything comes super easy and natural, and then I just go through like a rough patch where nothing comes simple, everything is hard. So regardless. Alright, let's take a look and see what we could do. We're going to start at 1:30 and go. I kind of found a fascination with lockpicking years and years ago. And then kind of picked it up again. And obviously there's some pretty cool YouTube channels I really admire and like to watch. So we got the first one. Let's do our next one. Second clear. These are super nice when you're first learning. And if you really want to see, what you're doing, you kind of hold it and do your tension kind of an unnatural way, but it allows you to see your pins and what type of pressure works and when you gotta release your pressure. And obviously these ones are, I don't even know if you can call these locks, but it's still fun. And it's funny, the different reactions you get from people when you tell them that this is an interest of yours. And some people just, don't see it as anything. Like, what's the point of that? Just to steal shit or breaking and entering. And it's like, no. If you think about it, it's just a puzzle. And I've always loved little mechanical working things, whether it's watches or what have you. This one might honestly be broken. I've dropped it and all types of crap. Giving up on that one. I have a feeling it might just be a waste of time, in all honesty. Alright, we got our brinks. Alright. could probably rake this open pretty quickly. Well, I guess it was kind of raking it. Alright. Now for the bigger ones. And if y'all have any advice about, you know, any mistakes you see or whatever, and I know it's kind of hard to give advice, because once you get the concept, you know, you see that this see-through lock's what you're doing. So it's like you know what you're doing, but at a certain point, it's about the feel, pressure, and all that, so. Okay, got this fucker. It took a long time. This one in particular, the tension that you need to put on it to turn the cylinder is just immense. And raking this one doesn't work well because it just completely locks up and then you can't get your rake out. See, and then I get into this false gate where there's so much rotation at a point, and then it's just, once you get there, you're done. And I've seen other people where when they get some rotation, that means they're closer to picking it, and I feel like that's the opposite with me. It's like once I get to that little bit of rotation, something is fucked. And then I gotta go back. Oh, shit. Oh, Christ. That's about think I started at 1:30. We're at 38 minutes. So just over 35 minutes it took for me to unlock these locks. And yeah, I think this one is actually broken. And I know that's the biggest excuse in the book, but I've dropped it. It's cracked. We could try, I guess. It would just be satisfying if we got all of them. All of them opened, wouldn't it? Yeah, I feel like if I push down that. Alright, yeah, this one, I think it's no good. This one is out of commish. No more good. Alright, so that's about it. I just wanted to give myself a little challenge, and yeah, if you could think of any advice, that'd be great. Alright, that's about it. See ya.